people, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Today we're going to be making some steamed fish. That's what's going on the table today. I got some snapper right here, nice and fresh. I got one red tail and one yellow tail. So I'm going to be steaming up that fish today. I'm going to show you guys what I'm putting in my steamed fish, and I'm serving it with pumpkin rice today, going on the table. So you guys stay tuned and cook with me. As I always says, flavor up. That's my thing. Flavor, key thing in my recipes. So I want you guys stay with me and see what I'm cooking today. All right? Okay, so I'm gonna put it on some spice on my fish right here. I like to put a little bit of this is a Maggi spice. So it's Maggi fish spice that's going on. Just put it on a package on there. I like to throw it right on the fish, even inside of it. That's how I like to steam my fish. Then I got some Maggi all-purpose going on here too. You like flavor inside the fish. When you're digging it, you can taste it. Yeah, and some black pepper. So no measuring today, people. It's just going by hand. It's steamed fish, Jamaican style today. Yaad man style. Yaad man style, people. And then I put a little bit of garlic powder on there too. And inside the fish, I'm looking for flavor. Flavor up again. Alright. That's it. Now we're gonna cut up some veg to go with the steamed fish here. Yes guys, so I got some potatoes right here. Cut up some white potatoes, put it inside, or Irish potato, whatever you guys want to call it. Some potatoes going inside, and I also have some okra going on too, pumpkin, and some green peppers. The green peppers give it some nice flavor too. So put a little bit of green peppers inside there. Yeah. Pepper, turn the flavor up. Right, so this is what I got going on today. Pumpkins, potatoes, and okra. Yaad man style again, people. I'm just gonna cut these in half. Right, that's looking good. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. Yes, people, and I got some thyme. Put some thyme right on that. Nice fresh thyme. Got some scallions. You know what? I'm just gonna cut these up. Throw them right inside. You may really flavor this together. Right. Right inside of that steamed fish, people. And then I got 2 cloves of garlic. Crush those. Put them right inside. I got some peppers. Some nice hot Scotch bonnet pepper, people. I'm just gonna cut a piece. Put right in there for flavor. And then I got 2 whole one I'm throwing right on top. Alright people, so the pot is on the fire here. Getting hot. Pouring some olive oil in there. Some olive oil inside of it. Yeah, let that get nice and hot. I'm gonna put in all these veggies right in there to simmer. Alright. what's in the pot, people. Alright people, let's get some water in this pot here. For the steamed fish. Alright. So we got that going right here, people. Turn up the flavor. Flavor up, up. I got some secret right here. I always like to put some Maggi noodle inside my steamed fish. About a tablespoon. Never tried this, you gotta try it. Flavor is up. We're gonna season again with some black pepper, people. Going down in this. A little bit more all-purpose season. A little bit more fish spice going inside the liquid right here. You don't want too much because we already have some spices on the fish. Yes, people, gotta get some butter right inside this. No, there's no steamed fish without butter, you know. Yaad man style. Right. Butter inside of that. Now we're cooking. Wow. People, the thing is not ready yet, but it smells so good. Flavor up again, people. Up, up, up. Turn up the flavor. Alright, let's get these steamed fish right on top of. Got that. Get them in the pot. We're gonna cover that down and let it steam. Look, flavor up. Take you guys a little bit closer, see what's going on in the pot. Wow. Look at that, people. That's what's going on in the pot right there. Yep, it's simmering, people. Let's put the cover on it. You guys will see the finished product. So while the fish is steaming, people, I'm gonna get the pumpkin ready for the pumpkin rice. So, got some pumpkin here I'm cutting up. I'm just gonna dice these. Dice these up while the fish is steaming. And get the rice on the fire. I love pumpkin rice. I made pumpkin rice the last time. I didn't show you guys step by step what I put inside, so I'm going to show you today how to make the pumpkin rice, or how I make my pumpkin rice. Alright, so this is all my pumpkin all diced up right here, people. This is all what's going inside the rice. We're eating good today, people. People, I have to open the pot and show you guys what's going on in there. Wow. Wow, it smells so good. People, mouth watering. Yaad man style of steam fish again. Alright. You can put some crackers in this if you like. Right on top there. Cover it down when it's done. So I got the okra here, I got the Irish, the pumpkin. Real thing going on, people, real thing. That aroma from that pepper. Ooh, it's kicking. Alright people, let's season up the rice right now. So get the pumpkin right inside. It's rice already washed and inside the water. I'm just throwing the pumpkin in there. I'm just gonna stir that up. I got another secret again, people. Going inside. You guys never try this? Gotta try it out again. See? What's that? The Maggi noodle. Going inside. If you have Grace noodle, you can use it as well, you know. I just throw about a tablespoon in my pumpkin rice. Because I want to turn up the flavor again, you know. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put in some thyme, fresh thyme going in. Scotch bonnet pepper on top. I'm gonna crush a clove of garlic, people, and throw it right on top of it also. You know, get some flavor in that. Here we go, garlic in there. And I got scallion again, people. I just crush it up. Or beat it up with your knife or your spoon. And just throw that right on there. Let's stir this up, people. And then I'm gonna put in a little bit of salt. You gotta watch your salt because the Maggi noodle already have salt, people. So you gotta taste as you go. Right? So a little bit of salt in that. Stir that up. Yeah, you give it a taste right in your hands. Yeah, that tastes good. Alright, next. Put in a little bit of butter. Alright, people, we're gonna let that simmer. Alright, catch you guys when we're ready to eat. Alright, what's going on in the pot? Wow, steam fish here. Man, woo, people, I just opened the pot and I tell you, the flavor hits me. Wow, I'm ready to eat, people, ready to eat. Wow. I thought about the Yaad, man. People, the flavor up again. I tell you, this bad, man, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. People talking about the crackers. So what's going on here, people? I'm gonna put two on top, you know. Need two crackers to steam down on it. Wow. Look at that. Okay, you guys don't get too hungry, alright? You're gonna eat with me, don't worry. We're gonna eat together, people. Steam fish done, people. Take a look at it. Yaad man style again, people. Wow. I just throw some crackers on top, people, and cover that down for a few minutes, and look at that. We're ready to eat, people. You guys gonna eat with me, don't worry. We're gonna eat together. Right, let's check out the rice, people. See what it looks like? See that? All the pumpkins are cooked. Look, guys, we're ready to eat, man. Yaad man style again, people. Look at that. Alright, we're gonna have this with the steam fish. So I'm gonna get it on the table, on Will's kitchen table. You guys gonna eat with me, alright? People, look what's going on the table. That's what's on my kitchen table today, people. Right now we're going to eat. Wow, that steamed fish is looking so good, people. I want you guys to join in. Get your knife and your fork. Let's eat. Okay, people, it's time to eat. This is ready. The steamed fish is ready. Rice is ready. It's on the plate. We're gonna eat. So get your knife and fork and jump in with me. Let's try it. I want to try a piece of the pumpkin. People, flavor is up again. Wow. Let's try the rice. I know you guys getting hungry watching me eat, but wow. People, this is amazing. You guys gotta try out this rice. This pumpkin rice with the Maggi noodle inside. As I said, you guys can use Grace noodle inside as well. If you don't have Maggi, that will give it some flavor also. It's really, really good, man. Another Yaad style, people. Steamed fish on the table. You guys try this out at home. My style. It turns up. The flavor is up again, people. You guys gotta try this out. Wow. Okay, let's try out the crackers. Yaad style crackers inside. It's bad. People. The okra. Wow. Let's try the okra out. No. Can't eat it up, you guys. Too much. Alright, people. I'm gonna go finish this steamed fish. Thank you guys for subscribing, watching my channel. Tune in for the next video. It's gonna be fun. And I'll see you guys. Peace out.